Hi there, this is Mindy from Vitesnik Power Sports in Richland Center, Wisconsin. Today I'm in the new 2025 Tracker Pro Team 175. This is the new Tracker 4-inch digital touchscreen. So this is going to give us basically everything that those analog gauges would have given us before. Now it's also going to give us more. It's going to have what direction you're going, fuel percentage, it's going to give you miles per hour, and it's going to give you engine hours too, which I always find is very, very important to have. And then if you go up into settings, you can actually go into diagnostics and you can see system diagnostics and engine diagnostics. Of course, you can get into the user manual as well. It's pretty self-explanatory and easy to use. And there's also day and night mode. And there's your battery. That's going to give you how many volts it's giving out right now too. If you guys have questions on the new changes for the 2025s, you can call us 608-647-8808. Thank you.